got the grand prize for the Charles Schwab Challenge of 2026. And guess what? We built it. When someone like Charles Schwab reaches out to you and wants you to build the grand prize one-off vehicle for the Charles Schwab Challenge, you're not just building a Jeep, you're contributing to a 6-year legacy of top-of-the-line builds, and we're honored to be one of them. When Charles Schwab first called us, they led with, "We have a request for an unusual build." Already you've piqued our interest. Then they go on to tell us that it's the grand prize for a long-running tournament, and they've now been doing these builds for about 6 years. And they go on to tell us that it included builders like Legacy Classic Trucks, Steve Stropes, and Classic Ford Bronco. And there was no way we weren't going to be a part of that list. So why a 1982 Scrambler? And this is the part that I really love, that when they commission these builds, they put thought into the history of Schwab. So 1982 was a big year for Schwab because they were the first to introduce 24/7 order entry and quote service to individuals. It's a big year for them. Also, in the Jeeps, 1981 to 1986 was the year of the Scrambler. Not a very long run at all, and less than 28,000 of these were made. The Scrambler was the perfect combination of your off-road prowess with the practicality of more cargo space. It's the perfect vehicle for those that have that outdoors nature pull embedded in them. Even though the Scrambler was not a huge hit when it first came out, it later became an icon. With so many configurations, you have your safari top, you have your full hardtop, you have your half hardtop that turned it from a tiny pickup truck with lots of cargo space, when you pulled that off, to an open air cruiser. And what makes this Vigilante build so spectacular? Well, it's a full off-frame restoration. No part is overlooked or untouched. Modern suspension and a modern drivetrain are super important so that the reliability matches the beauty of the outside. And it's hand-built right here in Texas. Building a grand prize vehicle is something that we took very seriously. It came with the responsibility of a vehicle that would represent Schwab, a vehicle that would represent Vigilante, and a vehicle that felt earned to the winner who just worked hard to succeed in this tournament. And we wanted to make sure that we captured all of that in this vehicle. The first thing you'll notice about this beauty is the blue color and the pops of red plaid. Every detail on here is very intentional. The blue is a Schwab Blue that you'll see consistently spans throughout all their vehicles throughout the 6 years. And the red is a nod to the Scottish Royal Tartan that you see the champions wear throughout the tournament. Every detail is intentional. Even where it says Schwab, the Jeep font was used to recreate seamless integration of Schwab into the vehicle. The Scrambler build is a huge milestone for Vigilante. Although we had started the process of planning to build a Scrambler, Schwab really helped us escalate that process. And though this is build 001, there are a lot more in production. So be sure to follow along to see these vehicles come to life. Be sure to tune in at the end of May to see the next chapter of this Scrambler when it's given away for the grand prize at the Charles Schwab Challenge 2026. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, stay tuned for Daniel's deep dive, where he really gets into the technical bones of this build. And for more information on our Scramblers, visit us at vigilante4x4.com.